So live po ngayon guys, audition Mandy for the duet maybe. So kakanta po tayo ngayon at dahil maganda po ang weather, I mean medyo malamig pero maulan. So yeah, not raining in Manila, Mandy. You're kidding me? We're not in Manila. Okay. So masarap po mag-duet ngayon, magkantahan ngayong maulan at syempre malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Medyo maulan nga lang po. So ingat po kayo dyan guys. Kung may mga pasok kayo at sa mga wala naman, kagaya ni Amanda, ni Mandy Paddy na nag-aral pa rin. What did you study, Mandy? Come on? Oh, come on. Really?
Come on.
Okay, so let's go to the duet, Mandy, that we've been practicing. So, in 3, 2, 1, judges, TikTok clock. What would I do without your smart mouth? Even I'm sick and taking me out, and I'm so busy, nobody hit me, and I'm right. My hands up the water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you, in your hand and my beginning, even when I'm losing winning. Come on, 'cause I give you all, love me, and I give you all. It's a duet, Mandy. You're not singing with me. How can
It's my turn. It's my turn.
And I give you.
It's my turn to sing.
Okay. What are we gonna duet? Make sure I know the song. Dahil po kami ay mga pamilyang palakanta, kahit naman hindi marunong kumanta.
Next.
Okay.
Hands up, Gabriela. Come on,
Gabriela, hands. I think this is how it should be. Hands up, Gabriela. It should be sexy.
Yeah!
I think I'm the judge.
Go like this. Okay, go. In 3,
2,
2, 1,
1, go. Hands up.
Me. Hands up,
Gabriela.
Come on, fella.
Okay.
Gabriela.
I think I'm gonna press the button. Okay. So, the judgment day.
Meow.
So nice nga naman ang judge due to unforeseen circumstances. Siya na po ang naging singer. I'm the judge. So I'm gonna judge you now. So medyo hindi ko nagustuhan yung kinanta mo, Amanda. Medyo aside from pangit, walang kwenta yung narinig kong boses mo. At hindi ka kumokonek sa tao dahil hindi mo nararamdaman yung kinakanta mo. At walang connection at all. Para ka lang kumakanta sa CR habang kumakain ng banana Q or kumakain ng kwek-kwek habang may sinasawsaw ka na maanghang dahil sa sobrang anghang. Or maybe that's me. Is that it? So guys, mahirap mag-judge, mahirap din kumanta, kagaya ni Aljur. You know Aljur? Aljur. It got a mazen, what up? Kailangan pa pogi Mandy, like this oh. When you sing, you should be really cute. But at the same time, don't lose focus on the voice quality. Mazen, what up at your door? Alright, we're here guys, so that's it.
Me next, please.
Meron po tayo. Mandy, wait. Nandito na tayo sa Big Task ni Big Mama. Alright. Mandy. Okay guys, this is it. Bye!